Hey everyone, today we're going to show a new agent for the services industry, specifically for outdoor landscaping. All you have to do to get the agent to your CloseBot V2 account is sign up for a free Pro Agent Suite account and go to the outdoor landscaping agent, click the snapshot and click deploy to your account. So the landscaping agent is a pretty straightforward CloseBot V2 agent that helps us with lead qualification and intake for outdoor landscaping project. It starts by collecting personal information like name and property address. It runs a branch to figure out if the location is within our service area. It uses a simple branch to figure out this result, and it checks whether the address is in Western Washington or Oregon. Naturally, you would want to replace it with your own location check. The next objective is to verify ownership. This is to make sure that we're really speaking with the owner and not someone who's renting the place. And assuming that it is the owner, we're going to continue with collecting additional information required for the job. And in this example, it's what's the goal of the project, what's the budget range, what's the timeline, what kind of service level, etc. By the way, pay attention how if at any given stage a lead is disqualified, we're going to provide them with a nice statement, basically apologizing that we can't help them. And all those leads go into the stop responding. If you want to tag them for future follow-up or for referral, you're of course welcome to do that and add a tag node. Finally, after we collect the information, we run some final disqualification according to budget. Again, you don't have to do that, but some of our clients want to do that. When we understand that the lead meet all our criteria, we can finalize, get the final email and phone information, and book an appointment. Of course, confirm it gracefully and stop the conversation. The workflow is connected to a proper persona, and in this case, where is it? We've got Cedar Moss, our Pacific Northwest landscaping master, and you will get the persona as well already connected to the workflow. Go ahead, deploy the snapshot, hit like and subscribe, and looking forward to see you in the next one.